When you think about the coast, you might picture sun-soaked beaches, children building sand castles, and the gentle lapping of waves against the shore. It's a serene image, one that evokes relaxation and peace. But beneath that tranquil surface lies a reality that many homeowners along the coast face: the relentless power of the ocean. The truth is, while the beach can be a paradise, it can also be a formidable adversary. That's where seawalls come into play. And that's why I want to talk to you about their importance for residential properties. Imagine living in a beautiful home right by the water. The views are breathtaking, the sunsets are magical, but then there's that nagging worry in the back of your mind. What happens when a storm rolls in? What happens when the tides rise higher than they ever have before? Coastal erosion is not just a buzzword, it's a real threat that can undermine your property, both literally and financially. Seawalls act as a barrier, a protective shield that defends your home against the relentless forces of nature. They absorb the energy of the waves, preventing them from crashing directly against your property. This isn't just about keeping your home safe, it's about preserving your investment, your sanctuary. Now let's talk about Fort Lauderdale, a city that epitomizes coastal living. With its stunning waterfront properties, it's no wonder people flock here. But with that beauty comes responsibility. Seawall Fort Lauderdale is a company that understands this delicate balance. They specialize in constructing seawalls that not only protect homes, but also enhance the overall aesthetic of the waterfront. Their expertise is invaluable, especially in a place where the ocean is both a blessing and a potential hazard. You might wonder, why should I invest in a seawall? The answer is simple: peace of mind. When you have a sturdy seawall in place, you can enjoy your coastal lifestyle without the constant fear of erosion or flooding. It's an investment in your future, a way to ensure that your home remains a safe haven for years to come. Think about the cost of repairs after a storm, the potential loss of property value, and the emotional toll of watching your dream home slowly succumb to the elements. A seawall is a proactive measure, a way to safeguard your property before disaster strikes. Moreover, seawalls can also contribute to the local ecosystem. They can be designed to incorporate natural elements, creating habitats for marine life, while still providing the necessary protection. This dual purpose is essential in today's world, where environmental concerns are at the forefront of our minds. By choosing a seawall, you're not just protecting your home, you're also playing a part in preserving the delicate balance of coastal ecosystems. And let's not forget about the aesthetic appeal. A well-constructed seawall can enhance the beauty of your property. Seawall Fort Lauderdale understands that functionality doesn't have to come at the expense of style. They work with homeowners to create designs that complement the natural landscape, ensuring that your seawall is not just a barrier, but a beautiful addition to your property. In conclusion, the importance of seawalls for residential properties cannot be overstated. They provide essential protection against the unpredictable forces of nature, safeguard your investment, and can even enhance the local environment. If you're a homeowner along the coast, consider the long-term benefits of installing a seawall. Reach out to Seawall Fort Lauderdale and take that crucial step towards securing your piece of paradise. Don't wait for the storm to come. Act now and protect what matters most. Your home deserves it, and so do you.